down in Southern Oregon, we got the Southern Oregon Sun Growers Guild, man, and it's pretty cool. People getting together to cooperate on testing and hiring a lobbyist to speak for outdoor, sun-grown, good organic herbs to make sure it's you know, remains legal, man. There's so many things that could be done to just, pardon me, but like really fuck this shit up, man. You know, I mean, let's hope that through events like this and an emerging thing all over the country, man, just feeling like we got to find justice and we got to figure it out right away, man, in so many ways, you know. With the trouble with police, man, I don't know, they feel like they're in a war zone, man, and we're not. It's just a drug war. That can go away as long as, like as soon as we say go away. So let's say go away. What do you say? Put me down for one of them. Had an old brown corn there that made an ear. Looks even worse than it did last year. Every day brings doubt, every year brings fear that I'll have to sell the farm. But how could it be wrong? If it grows wild, it'll ease your mind, make you smile, have a farm paid off in just a little while. How can it be wrong if it grows wild? Well, I've always tried to be an honest man, trying to make a living off the land. Oh, ain't there doing what I can, but it's a hard life to live. How can it be if it grows wild, it'll ease your mind, make you smile, have a brand new crop in just a little while. How could it be wrong if it goes wild? Well, I almost had the farm paid off, and I got raided by the crops. Well, they took my money and they took my crop. They say that it's a crime, but how could it be wrong if it grows wild? It'll ease your mind and make you smile, have a brand new crop in just a little while. How could it be wrong if it grows wild? Looks even worse than it did last year. Every year brings doubt, every day brings fear that I have to sell the farm. Well, New McDonald ain't got no farm. E-I-O. Don't get up no more at the break of dawn. E-I-O. No chicks to hatch, no eggs to find. Now I sleep till 8 or 9 down in New McDonald. Ain't got no farm. E-I-O. Down New McDonald ain't got no corn. E-I-O. And land's just sitting there begging to be plowed. E-I-O. Cause kids grew up, got jobs in town. There's no one left for to cut it down. Down New McDonald ain't got no corn. E-I-O. Down New McDonald ain't got no hogs. E-I-O. Yeah, cause they're trying to change the agriculture laws. E-I-O. Now you have to live with the regulation cause they can't afford a lawyer like a corporation. Now New McDonald ain't got no hogs. E-I-O. No, New McDonald ain't got no farm. E-I-O. No cluck cluck quack quack anymore. E-I-O. Now the floors live with the bitter tears of the rap of the gamble of the auctioneer. Now New McDonald ain't got no farm. E-I-O. Ah, but old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Here's to all you Oregon farmers out there, man.